Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on location on Snapchat on iPhone or Android. It's really simple and easy. The process will be same on iPhone or Android. So first of all, just open up the Snapchat application in your mobile, and now you have to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner, and here now tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. Once you are here, you have to scroll down a bit, and here in this privacy control section you can see this option, see my location. You have to tap on it, and here the ghost mode is turned on. When this is enabled, your friends can't see your location, so turn this toggle off. And now here you can see who can see my location, so you can select any of the option, my friends, my friend accept, or only these friends, like you have to choose. You can tap on this change in settings here, and from here you can change the location as well. So before all of that, what you need to do is you need to allow Snapchat to use your location from device. You have to tap and hold on this Snapchat application, go for this app info. When you are here, you have to scroll down and you have to tap on this permissions, and in permissions you have to make sure that this location is allowed. If this isn't allowed, Snapchat can't access your location and it can't be shared with anyone. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.